Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I teach you how to make rainbow friends. Yellow from rainbow friends. Get two 2x4s, put them together. They'll make an arrangement like a C shape. Now get a weird shape of, don't know what it's called, and get a two 1x2s or one 2x4. Do like this. You put it in here, and it's already looking good so far. Now you get two yellow bricks. 2x2s, please, and then you put this together with one of those black pieces, 1x1s, a little hole in them, tall. Grab another one for the eyes, and then put an orange base plate on top. And for its neck, add one of these pieces. Now we'll make the body. Like that. Now, for the body, you'll need to grab two 2x4s and put them together, and grab another one. Sorry, wait. And then grab another one of these, like 3 blocks tall. Then you're going to have to grab one of these and get a 1x2, put it here. The arms. Make whatever arms you want. I prefer these arms because, well, like, why not? And it looks like this so far. And now you put this part of the neck on, and then you bring them close together. And if I magic spell, Expelliarmus, whatever it is, you're very yellow from Rainbow Friends. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and it's 2 minutes. Oh well, I guess it's a short then. Also, like and subscribe. Wait, I've already said that. And please share with your friends.